Hi, this is Tammy from Mitsy Kit. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine pouch craft. It's a free tutorial just to give you some ideas. You will need a piece of felt material, preferably with a pretty design, 9 by 11 inches, some masking tape, scissors, a marker, and a long and short piece of ribbon. First, you're going to square off your felt fabric by taking the lower corner and lining it up with the top, and then creating a line on the edge with a marker or pen from the top to bottom. Then you will simply cut off where the line is so that you will have one rectangular piece of felt fabric as well as your perfect square. Next, you're going to take your square felt and fold it in half so that you form a triangle with the right sides up. Then you're going to fold again into a smaller triangle. Press the sides with your fingers and open it up so that you can see where the 4 triangles intersect and create a small mark. Next, take one of your corners and fold it up into the center. And then in the corner next to it, do the same, folding both corners to the center, forming a triangle. Take some of your masking tape, about the length of the fabric from the center to the corner, and adhere the 2 pieces together. And then simply fold over at the end to make a point. If you turn it over, it should look something like this. Next, take your 3rd corner adjacent to the other 2 and bring it to the center. Again, take some masking tape and you will adhere it to the 2 pieces to join from the center to the tip. And again, crease so that it makes a point, looking like this on the back. If you turn it over, this is what your project should look like. It is wrong side out, so we're going to turn it right side out. Gently point the corners up through the center and through the top, and then smooth out the edges so it looks like this. It already is starting to look like an envelope. Now, take your rectangular piece that you cut off and trace the triangle from the top of your envelope onto it. It should look like this. Cut the triangular piece out and fold it in half with the large part of the triangle on the top. Your fabric should be facing right sides together. Next, you're going to draw the top half of a heart onto your fabric. Once you've done this, take your scissors and cut along the top line. Open it up and you should have a cute little fabric heart. Take your heart and fold it horizontally in half, right sides together. Next, you will make 2 small marks about 1 inch apart. Take your scissors and make small little incisions along these 2 lines. Open up your heart and it should look something like this on the wrong side. Place your heart on the center of your envelope top. You're going to use your marker and trace through the holes in the heart so that you make some lines on the back of the envelope backing. After you remove your heart, it should look something like this. Now, you're going to fold this envelope backing along these markings, so again, you can cut some small snips where those markings are. Once you've done this, open it up and it should look something like this. Take your felt heart and right side up, match it on top of the 2 holes in the envelope backing. Use your shorter ribbon and lace it down through the top hole of the heart and down through the backing, and then back up through the bottom of the backing and up through the hole in the top. This should result in both tails being laying on top of the heart and the envelope backing. Now make a small bow and then cut off the tails. If you turn it over, you should see a little ribbon loop. Use your longer ribbon and lace it through this loop. Pull it halfway through and tie a knot on the top. Use this loop to hang your Valentine pouch on any doorknob or hook to be displayed. Fill it with your Valentine's treats and notes from your friends. We hope you've enjoyed this Valentine craft, and we hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. If you would like to learn more about Mitsy Kit, please go to www.mitsykit.org.